Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make pre-wedding photo in Gemini. So firstly guys, you need to select your reference image. If you want to do that, press on the plus and upload files. So I'll just go ahead and download a free wedding photo. Okay, let me see which one I can get. Let's just take any at all. Let's use this one, I guess. Free download. Okay, download this, and now let's choose it, upload. Okay, great, and now this is our reference photo. Don't forget to choose a better model. Thinking and Pro for editing or generating images is going to be provide you with the best results. And the prompt is the most crucial step. You need to combine the setting, clothing, and the emotion. And you can go for this kind of prompt. So then just insert it and press on enter. After that, Gemini is incredibly responsive. Not a fan of the tea garden, just say move same scene to a royal palace at twilight. If you want a different look, say change outfit to a modern black tie attire. And then just generate and watch your dream shoot appear. Alright, and now as you can see based on my prompt, so barefoot, candid laugh, etc, etc. And also as you can see the image in terms of the faces and faces of of course the main people, the husband and the bride are actually preserved pretty well. If I open this up, as you can see, very, very well done. So that's pretty much it. Pre-wedding goals achieved and also zero budget required. If this workshop guide helped you plan your dream digital shoot, make sure to like and subscribe.